Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Organic chemistry questions for you. Here you have alkyne with alcohol. You are reacting with lithium and liquid ammonia and alkyl bromide and acid hydrolysis. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you have alkyne and alcohol as the functional group. You are reacting with lithium. Lithium replaces the acidic proton. There are the two acidic proton, alkynyl proton and alcohol proton. Alcohol is readily acidic than hybridized alkyne. So there is a two nucleophile in the system, O- and C-. Here electronegativity of oxygen is higher. So carbon will be the better nucleophile to the bond formation. So carbon attacks, you have new CC bond. Then the hydrolysis leads to the alcohol. The concept you have to learn here is nucleophilicity is opposite to electronegativity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.